Okay, so last meeting we have used the IN operator, which is the same function with the AND operator. So this time we're going to proceed into our next operator, which is entitled the NOT operator. So to start with, here is our objective. For the first objective, we are going to distinguish and describe the NOT, okay, the NOT operator. Then second objective is that we're going to apply the NOT operator in displaying records in a query. And here is also our process question that we need to realize during and after our session for today. So why is NOT operator important in creating an effective and efficient database? Okay, then focus yourself into this one. So let's discuss first what is a NOT operator before we proceed to our demonstration. So NOT operator, from the word NOT, ibig sabihin whatever criteria that is linked onto the NOT operator should not shown into our query design grid. So reminder, if our criteria is grade 6, and you use the NOT operator, it means we are going to display all of the information into our table except grade 6 because we are not going to show grade 6. Reminder that if you are going to use the NOT operator, which means your objective is to not show our criteria. So if our criteria is grade 6, then we should not show all of the grade 6 students. So please focus yourself into this illustration example. So we have here the student ID, first name, middle initial, last name, section, gender, and grade level. And our criteria here is not grade 6, which means we are not going to show, or we are going to show all of the information of the students except grade 6, which means we are not going to show information who is grade 6 from the word not. Okay, so for better understanding, here is our demonstration wherein we're going to open again our database that we have created in our previous discussion, and we are going to use this criteria wherein we are going to query the grade level who is not grade 7. Okay, so ibig sabihin ang ipapakita natin is lahat ng mga information except grade 7, and we are going to save it as a not grade 7 query. Okay, so first step is to open first your database, which is you created, or which is you have created in our previous discussion. So open your database table to check if may grade 7 ba tayo. Okay, so wala tayong grade 7, so mag-a-adjust tayo ng konti sa ating criteria para makita natin ng mabuti kung ano yung epekto ng ating NOT operator. So since wala tayong grade 7, we have grade 6. So babaguhin natin ng konti yung ating instruction. So ang ating objective for today is that we are going to show all of the information of the students except grade 6. Okay, instead of grade 7, gagawin natin grade 6. So first step is to click create menu, then click query design. After clicking the query design, then we are now going to double click our database table, okay, to add our table to our upper pane of our query design grid. Okay, then resize our table, then double click all of the field names that is included into your table to add it to the lower pane of our query design grid. So double click them all. Okay, then we are now ready to proceed to our criteria wherein we are going to show all of the information of the student except grade 6. Okay, so first step is to type in first the name of your operator, which is the NOT operator, then open parenthesis, then double quotation mark, then grade 6, then double quotation mark again, then close parenthesis. Okay, reminder that once you created your double quotation mark, you should put there double quotation mark. You should not put there the two single quotation marks. How are you going to do it into your computer keyboard? So just press and hold your shift key, then press the double quotation mark, which is usually beside on the enter key. Okay, so that is how are you going to create a double quotation mark into our database query. So reminder, the name of your criteria, which is the not, then open parenthesis, then double quotation mark, then grade 6, which is our criteria. Then close double quotation marks, then parenthesis or close parenthesis. So yung criteria natin mapupunta dito. Okay, so ibig sabihin, we're going to show all of the information of the student except grade 6. So to see the result, just click on this datasheet view of our query. Then it will show all of the information except grade 6. So kung mapapansin is grade 1, grade 1, grade 1, and grade 5. So let's see kung ilan ang grade 6 natin. So dalawa. Then grade 1, grade 1, grade 1, and grade 5. Okay, so that is how the NOT operator works. So kung babaguhin natin ito, example, we're not going to show all of the grade 1. So, gawin natin grade 1. Then, see the result. Okay, so mawawala ang grade 1, magiging grade 6 at grade 5 lang po. So, that is how the NOT operator works. So, the purpose of the NOT operator is to not show that information, not show your criteria. So whatever will be your criteria, it will not going to show, or the query will not going to show that information. So that is how the NOT operator works. Okay, so let's save our query by pressing Ctrl S, then save it as NOT grade 6. Okay, NOT grade 6 query. Then click OK. Okay, palitan natin to ng grade 6. Okay, so NOT grade 6 query. So let's see the result again. Okay, mawawala yung grade 6. Okay, so that's it for today. So let's proceed again into our process question that we have or that we need to answer after this session. So why is NOT operator important in creating an effective and efficient database system?